Hey there YouTube. Today I'm showcasing this Carver M-500t amplifier. It is very retro. It has dual VU meters. On this one, the glare is pretty bad. Let me turn the lights off here. That's not, there we go. Alright, so it has dual VU meters. Only the right one illuminates right now. It has a VU dimmer feature. Kind of nice. It does not have a volume control, which is very interesting. I'm pretty sure this was meant to be part of a set. Actually, it's probably supposed to always come with this guy, preprocessor with the volume control. But anyway, so I'll just let you listen and watch these meters flutter.
Yeah, fixing to go down. Yeah, fixing to go down. Ain't no need to talk. It's fixing to go down. Ain't no need to talk. 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 Yeah, yeah.
Alright, that's enough of that. Alright, here's the back of the unit. So yeah, I don't know much about it. Feel free to comment if you know anything about the history of these things, because I don't know much. Thanks for watching.